Second one is Himalayan range. Okay, see, the Himalayan range extends from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the east and covers a distance of 2500 kilometers. So this Himalaya range is located in northern mountain of India. Then it extends up to Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. How many kilometer it's take distance? See, 2500 kilometer. We can see on map. See dear students, here Jammu Kashmir is located here, then Arunachal Pradesh up to here. So this Himalaya range is located up to Arunachal Pradesh to Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. So it take 2500 kilometer. So here Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh it take 2500 kilometer. So here so many hill station is located, so many mountains peaks are located here. Okay. Next, dear students, this Himalayan range has three parallel ranges. Okay, it has three parallel ranges. We can see one by one. The Greater Himalayas, Himachal, and last one is Sivaliks. These are the three parallel of Himalayan range. We can see one by one what are the importance are there in these ranges. Okay. This Greater Himalaya is the northernmost range of the Himalayas. It is also has the highest mountain range in the world. Then there are many peaks located in Himadri like Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Nanga Parbat. These are the mountains is located here. Then this mountain range always covered with snow. Okay, so we know already this Himalaya range is covered with snow. Its entire area is covered with the snow only. Then we know already Mount Everest. What is the specialty about Mount Everest? Then what is the specialty about Kanchenjunga? Okay, we can see on the map. See dear students, this is the Mount Everest peak. So it's covered with full snow. Then this is the highest peak in the Greater Himalaya. Then this one is highest peak in the world also. Okay, this is not a greater highest peak in Greater Himalaya only. It also highest peak in the world also. Okay, see here this area is covered with full of snow. Okay, see Greater Himalaya range. See here to this area is all Greater Himalaya range is located. See this area is covered with full of snow. Okay, here we can't see any kind of forest, green forest. We can see, but it's covered with snow only. Okay, then it's covered with north to east direction. Then it's we know already 2500 kilometer the Himalaya range is covered it. Okay. Second one is Himachal range. The Himachal range is to the south of the Himadri. Himachal range is located the south of the Himadri. Himadri is located north of the Himalayan range. Okay. Then it receives heavy snowfall during the winter season. This Himadri region receives heavy snowfall in winter season. Then the slopes of Himachal are covered with thick forest. Okay, I will show on map what kind of forest is located there. Okay, then Simla, Mussoorie, Kulu, Manali, Nainital and Ranikhet are the some of the hill stations located in this range. We can see on the map. See dear students, this is the area of Himachal range. Okay, then it's located, we know already, this Himalaya range is located here up to Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. In the south of Himalaya range is located Himachal. See here, this area, this is the south of Himalaya range. Okay, then this area it's covered with the full of snow also. Then it receives heavy snowfall during the winter season also. Then I was already explained about the some important places are located here. For example, Simla, Mussoorie, Kulu Manali. So this area is located here. It's covered with full of snow. Okay, students, this is the picture of Kulu Manali. So this area is covered with the snow. It receives heavy snowfall during the winter season. Okay. Third one is Shivalik range. The Shivalik range is southernmost range of the Himalayas. The slopes of this range are covered with thick forest. This range receives heavy rainfall. See, the Shivalik range is covered with thick forest. So compared to Himalaya range, here some difference are there. There receives highest snowfall, but here he covered with thick forest. Okay, then this range receives heavy rainfall also. So this range is very important because Shivalik range. So many peaks are located in this area only. We can see. See dear students, this is the thick forest of the lower Himalaya or Shivalik Himalaya. So it's covered with a thick forest. Here no snowfall. Sometimes it will come, but all the areas is covered with only thick forest. See, it's look like green. Okay, so compared to Manali, it's look like a white color because it receives snow, but here it receives rain. No, so that's why it's covered with green color. Okay. First one is Purvanchal range. Okay, we already studied two northern mountains ranges. We come to the last one, Purvanchal range. The Purvanchal range is located in the northern eastern part of India. It includes many hills such as Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, Naga, Mijo and Lusai. So these are the many hill station of Purvanchal range. So this Purvanchal range is located in northern eastern part. Okay, so compared to northern mountains is located only north side only, but this Purvanchal range is located to eastern part of India. Okay, so dear students, these are the types of northern mountains. What are there? I am going to repeat again. First one is Himalaya range or Karakoram range. Second one is Himalaya range. Third one is Purvanchal range. So these are the northern mountains. So you have any doubts related to this topic, you can ask in live session. Thank you.